What's up guys, Tim the Project Man. I got another project going. I'm putting some new subwoofers and amp in my truck. So I thought I'd give you guys a little unboxing video of the sub I got. Well, I got two of them, but you know, we'll just do one unboxing video. So it's an American bass. I forget the model number of it, but it's 1,000 watts RMS. XR10D4. D is for the ohms. It's a 2 4-ohm voice coils. Alright, here we go. Let's get in this box. I'm so excited. Now, if this is done correctly, there should be a box inside of a box here. So hopefully we'll see that. Oh yes. Box inside of a box. That's how subwoofers should come. Okay. Here we go. Look at that. American bass, 2,000 watts, 10-inch subwoofer. Dual voice coil, 4 ohm. These are some pretty sweet woofers. And affordable too. I did a lot of checking around before I got these. And these were about the best thing I could find in my price range, which wasn't really a whole lot, so. Alright, let's see, we got some instructions here. American bass, subwoofer speakers. Okay, we got some specifications here. This is the ones I have. The XR10D4, RMS 1,000 watts, peak 2,000. The frequency, the hertz frequency is 35. 4+4, that's the ohms, 2 4-ohm voice coils. Alright, 200 ounce magnet, 3-inch voice coil. And you guys know the rest. Alright, let's get in this thing. Let me tell you, you could really tell that's a 200 ounce magnet in there. It is heavy. Plenty of protective styrofoam, that's good. And there she is. Carbon fiber, dust cone, American bass. That thing is stiff. Look at that rubber surround, how high it goes. This is one reason I really like this speaker. It's because it has all the voice coil terminals right here on one side. So it's a lot easier to wire it up. It does only have single tensile leads for each lead, but they are very thick. I don't know if you can see in there the tensile leads. They are pretty thick, but they're only single. So that should work for 1,000 watts though. And then you have the back. And this sucker is heavy. Double 4-ohm voice coil. 1,000 watt RMS, 2,000 max. Plenty of good venting there. Nice rubber surround around the double stack magnet. And I cannot wait to get this thing installed. We're gonna have to do a whole project video of upgrading my electrical system in my truck to handle this much power. I'm gonna have to go to a odd gauge power wire, and might have to get a new alternator. Who knows how far it's gonna go, but I've already got some stuff to do that with, so that's gonna be another video. But just wanted to show you guys the unboxing of my new subwoofer, and I can't wait to get it installed in the truck. Thanks a lot. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.